Today we'll guide you step by step on how to use your Kinetik Wellbeing
digital thermometer DMT4336. Step 1. Open the box. Remove the thermometer from the protective case. Step 2. Clean the thermometer. Immerse the thermometer probe in distilled water for at least a minute.
Ensure the rest of the thermometer doesn't get wet.
Clean the thermometer probe with a disinfectant.
These two steps will help ensure the thermometer is clean and provide you with accurate readings.
Step 3. Take a reading. Press the power button on. This is located next to the screen. It will turn on and show 188.8 degrees. It is ready to take a temperature. Insert the thermometer in the desired location. For oral use, place the thermometer under the tongue. Close your mouth.
Breathe through your nose to prevent the measurement from being influenced by inhaled or exhaled air.
The thermometer will be flashing while it takes a measurement. The flashing will stop and an alarm will sound for 10 seconds. Once it is finished, the temperature will be displayed.